What happens to pain pathways in the brain during a migraine? Imagine a storm brewing inside your brain, with waves of electrical activity moving across the surface. During a migraine, this storm triggers a series of changes in how your brain processes pain. It all starts with a wave called cortical spreading depression. This wave is a temporary disruption of normal brain cell activity that spreads across the outer layer of the brain, the cerebral cortex. As it moves, it causes blood flow to shift and releases chemicals that can irritate nearby nerves. This wave is often linked to the visual disturbances some people see before a migraine, called aura. The wave activates a special system in your brain called the trigeminovascular system. This system connects the protective layers around your brain, known as the meninges, to the brainstem and higher centers that interpret pain. When triggered, sensory neurons in a part called the trigeminal ganglion become more active. These neurons releases substances like calcitonin gene-related peptide, substance P, and neurokinin A. These chemicals cause inflammation and make blood vessels in the meninges expand or dilate. This dilation and inflammation make the nerve endings more sensitive, which amplifies the pain signals. From the trigeminal ganglion, the pain signals travel to the brainstem, specifically to an area called the spinal trigeminal nucleus. Here, second-order neurons relay the signals upward to the thalamus, a relay station in the brain. The thalamus then sends the signals to the cerebral cortex, where you consciously perceive the pain as a headache. Repeated activation of this pathway can lead to sensitization. This means the nerves become more responsive over time, making the pain feel worse and lasting longer. Sensitization also causes increased sensitivity to light, sound, and touch, which are common migraine symptoms. Certain parts of the brain, like the insular cortex and the somatosensory cortex, also influence how intense the pain feels. These areas can become more excitable during a migraine, making the pain more severe. In summary, during a migraine, abnormal electrical activity triggers a chain reaction. It activates nerves that cause inflammation and blood vessel changes, sending pain signals from the meninges to higher brain centers. Over time, this process can make the pain more intense and persistent. Understanding these pathways helps scientists develop treatments that target specific parts of this process, like blocking neuropeptides or calming nerve activity, to help reduce migraine pain.